even catch any Mexico runs today. I'm not sure. There's not too much people out today.
Like, see, it's a two-piece right here.
Oh,
but
shit. That's crazy.
I seen them, but I was like, I don't need that.
I think those 93 race stars, the bead locks, they're the race star bead locks. I like those Dewey's that they have.
I like the horse. Yeah.
Can you change those colors then?
Somebody. So on the back, you can shine back here. See the AN fittings on the back? Right there on the back. So we actually get a complete return style on the factory.
Circle.
Yeah, so it actually goes to the regulator there and then drops.
Those look stock.
Yeah, it goes through here, turns around like that, and then you got.
Like the feed.
Yeah, it goes there, but I'm trying to think about because those tubes off the turbos come this way. Right on both sides. And this is a baby ass intercooler too. That's only a 3.5-inch core.
I would say peach intercooler black.
Yeah, well, it was like a $250 option to get black, but I was like, look.
I showed it.
Sleeper kit. It's got 1,000cc injectors in it. Twin pump stock feed. -6 return. Modified fuel rails. Oil pump gears. Yeah, that's about it. Ready?
Yep. Top end, you really feel it start pulling.
Yeah.
That's something else. Damn.
And that's your lowest setting?
Yeah. I bumped into setting too. That's when you felt it kick over. We gotta get this money in this one. Here, let's fucking go to second gear. Let's see if we can hook.
I'm trying to keep my head down.
Ready? That bitch scared. It still spins in second, even with all of us in this bitch. I was figuring with all this weight we would actually hook a little better.
Whole kit, $1,200-1,400 for the whole kit. A twin turbo kit, you'll probably pay like $35. Like LS, you can make a lot of power.
Hell yeah, dude. Something else,
I hope I
man.
got some content for you.
Nah, hell yeah.
If one of y'all want to ride with me during the dig, I could use the weight. Not even gonna cap.
No, probably wrong.
Cameraman?
He's all like,
Bring the cameraman.
bro.
Bring the camera. I'm gonna do a soft hit right now, and then I'll.
Hell no. Hell no. I know who
You got the window. Huh?
I know who's the
Hi, Bryson.
Hi, Kevin.
Alright.
All right, bud.
Hope.
Watch over us.
Yep.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
fast. Like I've never passed that little where the people stand at so fast. Like that was just flying.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Probably still hot.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Man, to be honest, dude, I couldn't even record.
You didn't hit record?
No, I recorded, no, but I couldn't.
I was gonna say, bro, you didn't hit record?
No, I did, but I just couldn't, like, I couldn't record because, like, I was, like, so pressed down. Yeah, I was like, oh shit.
You were stuck to your seat.
Yeah, and I was trying to angle this way and raise the window. Ooh, that's quick.